Have you ever seen these beautiful hanging flowers in bright yellow and red color? They are also considered as one of the most beautiful flowers from the climber variety in the world. This is Thunbergia Mysorensis, which is commonly known as Mysore Trumpet vine, which is named after Mysore, which is a city in Karnataka, as this plant belongs to the southern India. This is surely a showstopper in anybody's garden, and I have got all the secrets to help it thrive. Let's talk about this plant in detail today. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Swati, and you're watching Backyard Gardening. These stunning dangling flowers are Mysore Clock vine or Thunbergia Mysorensis. It's an evergreen perennial flowering vine which blooms from late monsoon till winters and spring. It looks incredibly beautiful with yellow and red flowers in full bloom, and the flowers contain some sweet nectar which attracts birds, bees, and other pollinators. It's a woody stemmed evergreen climber and it needs some support like gazebo, pergola, or arches to grow in such a way that its flowers can dangle down and you can enjoy its floral display. There's one more variety in this plant which is Thunbergia coccineum. I have already shared the video last week. You can check it. Both the plants have similar leaves and similar flowering patterns. It's just the flower colors are different. If we talk about how to propagate it, you can grow this plant by stem cutting and by air layering. Let's talk about its sunlight requirement. The plant can be grown in full sunlight as well as in partial shade, but it should get at least 3 hours of sunlight for flowering. For more flowering in next season, prune it after the flowering season gets over, which is in April, and add fertilizers right before its flowering season starts. Its flowering season is going on, so you can get it in nurseries. Otherwise, I have shared few links also. You can buy it online and add this showstopper in your garden. That's all for today, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.